Mabon is a time of abundance. It is a time of giving thanks, being grateful, embracing change and transition, as well as a time of rebirth and renewal. There are many beautiful rituals you can do to align with the autumn equinox and embrace its healing energy in a number of ways. However, I'm a big believer in keeping witchcraft simple and finding magic in the little ordinary things in life, like an apple. So in this video, I'm going to show you 2 unique ways to use an apple for a ritual for the autumn equinox that are perfect for beginners. Symbolically, apples are a treasured fruit in witchcraft. As a symbol of wisdom, wholeness, immortality, and renewal, the apple is considered to be sacred in many old traditions and practices, especially during Mabon, as many traditions of this time are associated with apple picking, making apple head dolls, baking, and so forth. With that said, we're going to first focus this first ritual on giving thanks to the harvest and its fruit of wisdom. For this, you'll want to take a few deep breaths before beginning to ground your energy and just breathe in the positive energy and light all around you. You can go ahead and light candles as needed to just help you calm down and settle your energy. And once you feel calm, you can go ahead and pick up your apple and hold it in your hand. Since this first ritual is all about giving thanks, you're going to want to take a couple moments to think on what you are truly grateful for at this time. Of course, you want to give thanks for the abundant harvest during Mabon and all the beautiful energies of change that are associated with it. However, you can also send in different energies of gratitude towards different areas of your life. For example, the food on your table, the family that you have, the roof over your head, the deities that are in your life. Whatever it is you are grateful for, go ahead and take a moment to list all of these things in your mind and visualize them wholly to help bring them to life. Once you do this, visualize these intentions and these energies going completely into the apple, supercharging it with love, positive energy, and gratitude. After this, we're going to cut the apple. You'll want to be very careful with this next step and just make sure you take it slowly. As you do this, keep your intentions in mind and keep those energies of gratitude in your mind as you cut the apple. For this, you're going to want to cut the apple where it is the largest, not stem to stem, as you can see here. And once you take a look at the apple halves you have just cut, you can see the symbol of the pentagram lies right in the middle, which is one of the reasons that these fruits are considered to be so sacred in the craft. With this, it is a powerful reminder of how powerful you are as a witch in your own magical practices, as well as the power of your intention, and how it is divinely protected and enhanced by the magic of the earth and the universe all around you. With that said, there are many unique things you can do from this point. One of my personal favorites is to slice the apple, leaving the pentagram intact, and indulging in its many pieces, while also carefully removing the seeds from the core of the pentagram to use for intention-setting rituals that you can physically and energetically plant and grow. Aside from this, you can also just dry or dehydrate the apple and place it in a bag above your door for protection, as well as bake the apple into pie, apple crisps, or jam, and more. Truly, the possibilities are endless when it comes to apple rituals, so make sure you find a way that connects with you most and run with it as freely as possible. For the second ritual, we're going to be focusing on cord cutting, cleansing, and letting go. This is going to be a ritual of focusing on any negative energy or any aspect of your life that you want to leave behind, as the autumn is a really powerful time of cleansing, rebirth and renewal, and also letting go. For this, we're going to do the same routine we did for the first ritual, which is going to be taking a couple minutes to ground your energy, breathe in, breathe out, light candles, and just kind of calm your energy and set the mood to do this ritual. When you're ready, you're then going to take the apple in your hand and focus on anything that you want to let go from your life. Whether it's just a sum of negative energy, a certain relationship in your life, a negative aspect of yourself that you want to leave behind, or anything else, whatever it is that you want to cut these energetic ties with, go ahead and focus on that right now and send it wholly into the apple, releasing it from your body and putting this intention into the apple itself. After this, we're then going to cut the apple. We're going to cut it in the long way, not core to core, as shown here. And as we cut this, it symbolizes the cutting of the cord of this negative aspect of yourself or your life that you want to leave behind. It will no longer affect you now. It is cleansed from you and it is released from you. And as a reminder of this, the pentagram is visible right in the center of the apple, to boost the protection around you and to ensure that this ritual is closed and no negative energy from these aspects or situations that you visualized and set into the apple will affect you any longer. I hope these rituals have helped you to better align, connect, release, and embrace the powerful energies of the season. Blessed Mabon.